Hey, so I picked up this bad boy today, Solo 635. Yep, runs great. The person that owned it is the one owner. They put some sort of fabric tape over this. This can be replaced, unbolt that and put some electrical heat shrink over that again. Underneath is very clean. It's a well looked after saw. Looks like it's been bashed around a bit, but it actually hasn't. It's probably just the crappy paint jobs that they did back in the day. Filter. Whoever owned it really looked after it. Really nice high tension lead there. Very clean. Hang on a sec. Tank's discoloured, as you can see. It's gone that browny colour. The throttle lock, that button's missing. Might hit up Kev, see if he's Mr. Hanger One, if he's got a little throttle lock thing there. The oiler still there, present and working. Yeah, I'll get it. Oh, the bar, the chain. She's stuffed. But on the side here, I don't know if you can see, it still says Solo here. Solid nose. Underneath, it's corroded there. What do you do? It is an old saw. But I'll start it up. Hang on. So, turn it on this way. I think that's broken too, don't know. Then we got the choke here, up. And there's no throttle lock, but what I do is I put this into there and lock it on. Hang on. Wow, jumps all over the place, but yeah, runs really great. I'll show you what else come with it. So it come with a heap of spare parts, carb kit and lots of chain links, don't know why. Depth gauge, and if you can see here, whoops, upside down. Solo spanner, another Solo spanner, workshop manual for a 635, and it goes right down to, I just happen to grab the middle, to everything that you need to do to this saw. A great manual. Everything from the carb to every little part number that you need. Great piece of history here. Comes with, obviously you must have bought past owner, an Oregon bar. Come with the manual here, troubleshooting. Comes through with how to sharpen your chain, where your depth gauge is, how to sharpen your chain. It's actually a really good little book, that one. This one is just a basic safety thing. I like the comedy, the illustrations in this. Really good illustrations. That come with it too. And then just a basic, more modern book on chainsaw safety. But yeah, and this was his homemade bar cover that was on it. It's a hollow piece of timber, a couple of laminates put together with a string, made it way heavier than what it needed to be. But and there's the pouch that it come with. Yeah, great little score. Love this saw.